What is up, YouTube? It's the Hitman coming to you with a, back it up, you know where I went. There you go. Target got their popcorn soda combo. Couldn't make it to the all the way to the LCS, so I had a doctor's appointment. So let me move this. So I went to my second favorite place, Target, of course. Yes, sir. Picked up, what the hell did I pick up? Oh, yeah. Picked up 2 more blasters of 2013. Oh, popcorn phone here. Of 2013. Bowman Baseball. Sorry about that, trying to get situated. Alrighty. I just bought these because I'm trying to put the little mini refractor set together, see if I get anything out of here. Out of all the blasters, I've hit something decent, and I haven't really got doubles of mini refractors. All the mini refractors I've gotten, they've been my first one. So hopefully the trend continues where I get a hit and my minis are not doubles, not some that I have already. There's 2, 4, 6, 8 there. Oh, come on. Man, it's Thursday. It's almost 2 o'clock right now. Man, it was hot in the morning. Woke up, I was listening to the news around 5:30. They said it was already 78 degrees and the sun wasn't even out yet. 4, 6, 8. I was like, what the? That's just some craziness. But it gets hot here. So first pack, let's see what we get. Anything exciting? Let's see. Michael Bourne. I'll just call the ones that are Ryan Howard, prospect Tim Travis, prospect Carlos Luis, gold of Mark Teixeira. I don't even know why I do those in gold. They're pieces of crap. Prospect card, chrome card, prospect of Jin D Shang. I guess his name is. I really can't say it. Don't want to tear it up. Chrome prospect of Kevin Madarno. Got a Mike Trout. You know what? That might even be my first Mike Trout in this dumb product. Not too sure. Unless it's an autograph, I really don't care. Or a memorabilia card. Uh-oh, took one from that pack. I moved over. Sorry about that. Roy Halladay, Ryan Zimmerman, Yadier Molina, prospect Stefan Morano, whatever his name is. William Ostadito, prospect, paper. Got a mini in here. Got a gold. This guy is red hot right now. Got a gold Craig Davis. He's hot right now. Got a mini of Julio Teheran. Yep, I don't have him yet. Mini refractor of Julio Teheran. So far, so good. Wade Hinkle, prospect chrome. And my 2 paper is Bento and Zito. Also on this one. Sorry, I'm not. Alright, let's see. Put those right there. Alrighty, Steven Strasburg. Salvador Perez. We got a Mikeson Oblique prospect from New York. Wyatt Meshin prospect from, I believe, the Pirates. Yes. Got a blue in here. Allen Craig gold. Doesn't worth the crap. I got the blue I know his last name's Escobar, and it is to 500. It's 223 out of 500. Put that right there. We got a Zach Bird. A Zach Bird Prospect Chrome. A Steven Piscotty Prospect Chrome. And we already got all the Rangers. We got the Rangers, Matt Harrison, and we got the Tyler Skaggs rookie. So basically, I'm looking for refractors, the mini refractors, even refractors, and any color, and what else? Die cuts. I got a blue mini refractor. I just saw it. Josh Hamilton, I still like him, even though he took off to the Angels, the dumb peckerhead. But he's not even doing good over there either. Steven Moya, prospect paper. Addison Felice, prospect paper. We got a... I thought, and I looked at it, I was like, oh, is it? No, I thought it was Byron Buxton. It's got a Robinson Cano Gold. And these should be numbered to 250. Yes, it is. Numbered 92 out of 250. Of Brian Goodwin. Brian Goodwin. Yeah, when I first lifted it up, I saw, I was like, oh, is that? Nope, not Brian Buxton. Patrick Leonard, Prospect Chrome. Oh, yeah, I've only got one, but the blue counts. Kayi Fajua rookie, a Miguel Mesa rookie, and a Miguel Cabrera. Alrighty, let's see what else can we keep going in here. Let's keep the trend going. Get something good. Nice, Gonzalez, Byron Buxton papers. About my 8th Byron Buxton already. Adam Messer, I can't say his last name or even his first name, but is a prospect for the Chicago Cubs. Got a gold of Sterling Castro. We got a William Astudillo. I guess that's what that town and country, I believe that one is. I'll just put it there in the paper. Chrome prospect of Chris Hall. A Chrome prospect of Jonathan Scoop. Vance Worley and Craig Kimball. With this one, is 4 packs left from the first box. Anything else? Let's see. Got another mini in this one. Dustin Pedroia, Joe Mauer. We got a paper prospect of Jeremy Moore. We got a paper prospect of Michael Snyder. A Wade Miley gold, and I got a Kyle Korat mini refractor. Sorry if I tore up his name. Colin Wills from, it's a Chrome. It is a Chrome prospect from the Rangers, and then there's another Ranger behind him, Derek Holland. Homer Bailey and Kevin Youkilis. 3 packs left from the first box. Here we go. Oh, that's a stupid Sapphire one, that rookie reprint. I hate those. Mariano Rivera. We got a Torrey Hunter, Joe Bauer, a Wilford Rodriguez paper prospect, a Gregory Polanco paper prospect. That's alright. You know the Nespanes. Jonas Cespedes is his name. I like jacking with their names. Oh, and I got a Josh Hamilton. Yeah, that's nice though. Josh Hamilton reprint rookie card. That's nice. I hate those cards, but that's a nice one. Got a Carlos Carrera Chrome prospect. Got about my 4th one of that one. Alfonso Soriano and a Jason Kipnis. So no auto. Usually the auto is probably like in the 3rd to last pack. But actually I got a box where there was an auto in it. or even a color, and it was in the last pack. Yeah, I think I got an orange in here. I think. No, that's a stupid prospect card. Ian Desmond, David Murphy, paper prospect Clayton Blackburn, paper prospect Roland Guzman, a gold of AJ Pierzynski, prospect card, a prospect chrome of Carlson Kelly, a chrome prospect of Corey Vaughn, and Hakanawa Kuda, whatever the damn name is, and Ian Kennedy. Last pack of the first box. Here we go. Anything special. Anything special. Anything. Uh-oh. God dang. Shit don't want to open. Austin Jackson. Flip. Whoa. That's the first one. You got to flip like that. Gene Segura. Flip it back. Wow, this is just crazy. That Jandy Jang paper. That Hararo Barras from the prospect from the Rangers, excuse me. Carlos Beltran gold. Jason Worth. Well, that was weird. It's usually another different card. Okay. Brett Gurasi, the chrome prospect from the Yankees. We got a Michael Taylor chrome prospect. We got a Rivera's and a Rario. Wow. Didn't really hit anything out of that one. Well, I got the blue. What else did I get? Got the Carrera. Got something else. The only thing that I really got, there was any... I mean, my minis are good, but... like a full-size refractor, but yeah, I didn't really get anything. Besides the 3 minis, and one of them was a blue. I got a freaking ice card in here. Those things ain't worth shit. Carlos Santana. Flip. A Brandon Phillips. Paper of William Oliver. Did I put the chrome there? I sure as hell did. Mess this shit up already, man. Paper prospect of William Oliver. Paper prospect of Matt Stites. A Justin Upton gold. That's not too bad. Justin Upton's a good player. Damian Young. Ice card. We got a chrome refractor. Chrome prospect of Ronnie Bautista. And a chrome refractor of Victor Sanchez. The 2 veteran cards are Abdullah Cabrera and Hearn. Alrighty. We're going down. We're just going down. Let's see what we got in here. I thought it was an orange card, but that's a damn prospect. Jason Hayward, David Wright. Who's that? Hansel Robles, paper prospect. Bruce Rendon, paper prospect. Gold of John Jay. Dumb prospect card. Oh, shit. Prospect card. We got a chrome prospect of Socrates Burrito. Chrome prospect of Tyler Scott. The veteran Johnson and Weeks. Looks like nothing again in this one. Chris Sales, Brandon Beachy, paper prospect of Max White, paper prospect of Danny Salazar, gold Felix Hernandez, Town and Country prospect of Stefan Romero, chrome prospect of Jeff Galici, and chrome prospect of Harold Castro. The two veterans. Let's see, it's Kelly Casey and the rookie card of the man. Profar. So far, Profar is doing all right. Alrighty, I know this is my first Albert Pujols and Stanton, and then we got a paper prospect of Kristen Villanueva. We got a paper prospect of Lenny Linsky. Gold Cole Hamels. We got one top 100. Number 49, Kyle Zimmer. I like the design of these cards. Really like the die cuts, but shit. Let's see. Got a chrome prospect of Michael Reed. What do we got here? We got the Elvis Andrews for the PC. We got the Freak, Tim Lynchcomb, and Josh Beckett. 3 packs left, ladies and gentlemen. 3 packs left. See what we get. See what we get out of these things. Alright, let's see. Oh, I got a purple. Purple! Miguel Montero. Got a purple. It'd be nice if it was autographed. Jason Mott. We got a paper prospect of Yankan Cardadon. Got a paper prospect of Cody Buckles. Barrett Jackson Gold. Well, it's not autographed, but it's Kevin DeLeon Purple refractor. Kevin DeLeon. I think these are numbered like 25 or something. Oh no. Not even close. Numbered 199 out of 195 out of 199. I don't know if I got that in there. Nice looking card though. We got prospect chrome for my Rangers again. Ben Bowen. Got a rookie Mike Alt. This is my first Mike Alt in this product too. Wow, another rookie of Familia, Jossie Familia. Wow, these are all rookies. Another rookie and another rookie, DD, whatever his last name is. Wow, those are all rookies. The last 4 in that pack. Alrighty, well I got a purple out of that. I got a mini refractor in here. Mini refractor. Todd Frazier, flip it one more time. That's Sucktold, whatever his name is. Jose Altuve. Paper prospect of Dilson Herrera. Where's my paper? Papers here. Paper prospect of Shane Boyles. We got a gold of Alex Rodriguez. This fucking retard. And Jock Pedersen. Well, it's paying off because I know I don't got him either. So far, all my little mini refractors, I had no doubles still. Jake Thompson is my prospect chrome. Damon Jennings and Neil Walker are the paper veterans. Last pack. We got a nice purple card out of this. It's decent. Let's see. We got a nothing's in this shit. We got a Chapman. We got a Brian McCain, paper prospect of Jamie Callahan. We got a paper prospect of Mitch Ney, gold of Jarrett Weaver. We got Howard Kendrick, the Town and Country, and we got a chrome. No, the purple guy, the purple refractor I got. Kevin DeLeon, chrome prospect, another Cody Buckles chrome prospect, and the last 2 Ben Zorbit and Doug Fister were my last 2. Not too bad. Like I said, I got my mini refractors, no doubles in my mini refractors, and I got a blue refractor, and I also pulled a purple. That's a nice card. Nice purple refractor. Would have been nice if I would have hit that autograph purple. But what do you expect out of retail? I don't expect expect too much, but every once in a while they give you a little something. Alright, YouTube, Hitman is out. I'm trying to think what I got coming in. I know I'm going to have a 2-pack. I don't know when they come in. They're probably coming around the same time. I got a card off eBay, and I got my notification on Monday. I'm getting it from Panini about damn time. The damn thing's been there for 6 months. It's a redemption. It's finally coming in, so hopefully it'll come in at the same time. So, but I have 2 package mail day. I know that, and so alright, YouTube, the Hitman is out. When I get something else to show on video, I will either break something or I'll do a mail day. The Hitman out.